Good morning, malakaw ako. Ah!
They'll make a drink po.
Okay. So, yes, good morning. It's not really morning today. It's already around 1:44. I woke up late. Very late. Heading up now looking for something to eat. My thongs. Forgot my thongs. So, yeah, it's a Sunday today, and I'm so lazy. I don't want to move. Marlon asked me to shoot with him today, but I said no because I'm gonna rest. I need all the rest that I can have. Okay, let's go up. Planning to. Oh fuck, not again. I'm gonna go back down. I'm planning to cook corned beef today. Laura wants to do pancakes, but there are no ice cream, so I said no. No bacon, yeah. Pancakes, and it's kind of dark here. It's really dark. Corned beef. Okay.
What are you doing?
Okay, I can't. Yes. Because I just arrived. I opened through the. I got in through the garage door to put my clothes there, or no, put my stuff there. So, yeah, we're doing safety measures for quarantine and disinfecting stuff. So I went in through the garage last night, and it's so bright up here. Shit, it's been a long first clip. Okay, so I got in through the garage yesterday and left my stuff there. I went directly to the shower and did a shower. Yeah, had a shower last night when I arrived just to clean myself up, and yeah, I'll urge everybody to do the same. Like, yeah, in order for us to kill the virus, we have to be clean and everything. We have to like sanitize and do everything. Anyway, I've been going up and down the stairs. I'm gonna start making corned beef now. Typical mornings kana manawag si Laura sa Pinas. Orange juice! Orange juice. Hi, Laura. Breakfast done, and we had corned beef. Fucking hell. Breakfast done, and we had corned beef. What else do you have? Egg and orange juice. Fresh orange juice. Yes. So I gotta start working now, but it's getting late. It's 3:46, and I'm sleepy. Wanna see Laura? No, she's flashing the finger to me. Anyway, wash the dishes. Let's go. Let's wash the dishes. Yeah, let's go. So yeah, I need to fix all this shit in the future, but for now I'm gonna wash the dishes. Yeah. It's just a vlog. It's not a video that I need everything to be quiet and everything else. You can play anything in the background. I might get copy strike. But yeah, it's okay for you to play that. Next story ako ni Laura. Talking to Laura while washing the dishes. Yeah. I'm going downstairs now. I'm gonna try to do some work, and we need to close the door.
I'm going downstairs.
You bring the juice downstairs. I can't carry it with both hands. Bring the juice downstairs. I'm gonna drink it.
I'm going downstairs. We're gonna do some work.
She follows me around. She's like a tail. So, okay, I'm heading down to the room and start working. And all my stuff are scattered everywhere. Here's my desk. Got one screen, one big screen, care of Marlon. And there. Oh shit! I think I have the smoothie that we made last time. It's been there forever. I need to clean that up. Okay. Lollies. iPad. Okay. So this one here has the smoothie. I'm gonna drop it off the. Yeah. Ano siya itong ikanta ni Miguel? What were you singing? She's not saying anything. Earlier, she
I love to
was.
sing. I love to sing.
She's really trolling me. She's not. She's not singing when I ask her to sing, and then she sings whenever I don't wanna. Never mind. Whatever. Okay, the day went out so fast that it's already 11 p.m. So I'm just gonna wrap up today's vlog. Ended the night with a meeting with my friends.
Partners.
Oh well. Wrap up the night with a meeting with my partners, and yeah, photo. I might show you a photo, but anyway, that's it for tonight. Yeah, I need to do a bit of stuff, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. Anyway, good night, guys. Stay safe. Stay safe.